prince met a very beautiful young girl. He visited her house to see her, but she was very chaste. The prince wanted to marry his beautiful girl, but she didn't want to marry him. So she said to him, "You want to marry me. You are attracted by my beauty, so I will distill my beauty in the next 10 days." So the prince agreed. Then the beautiful girl said, "If you still want to take me as your wife, then you can take me." The prince replied, "All right, that's fine. I'll come back in 10 days and certainly I'll take you as my wife, my beautiful young maiden." As soon he left, the beautiful girl started to take very strong purgatives and laxatives. She kept all the vomit and stool in a big pot. She didn't eat anything. She was very simply passing stool and vomiting. So within 10 days, her whole beautiful body was destroyed.
Wow.
She was a very gray color. She was very skinny, very weak. She couldn't recognize her as the same person.
Okay, go ahead.
After 10 days, the prince came back to visit the beautiful young girl. She opened the door for him. When the prince saw her, he said, "I have come to see one very beautiful lady who I am about to marry." So the girl said, "I am that beautiful young lady." He replied, "No, it isn't true. How could it be possible?" She said, "Yes, I am the beautiful young lady. I have distilled my beauty. Come and see it." She took the prince to the place where she was keeping the big pot containing all her stool, vomit, and urine and said, "Here is my beauty."
The end.
The end.